In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice on Fresha. Navigating Fresha's interface for business needs can seem daunting at first, but it's quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. Whether you're a small business owner, a service provider, or someone who's just getting started with Fresha, understanding how to efficiently send an invoice can save you a considerable amount of time and effort. To begin, you'll need to visit Fresha's site specifically designed for business users. Simply type in the URL or do a quick web search for Fresha for Business, and it should take you right there. Once the page loads, you'll notice a login button. Click on that to proceed to the next step. Fresha offers multiple ways to log into their platform, but for our purposes, we're interested in logging in as a business. So, when prompted, make sure to click on the For Business option. This ensures you're accessing the platform with the right set of tools at your disposal. One of the convenient features of Fresha is the ability to sign in using your Google account. So for our next step, select Sign in using Google. This is particularly handy as it skips the need to remember another password, assuming you're already logged into your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with your business. After successfully logging in, you'll want to navigate to the calendar view within Fresha. This is where all your bookings and appointments are neatly organized. To make things easier, use the direct URL provided or locate the calendar option within the platform's dashboard. Within your calendar, you'll need to find the appointment for which you want to send an invoice. Fresha's interface is quite user-friendly, allowing you to click directly on the appointment from the calendar view. This action will bring up the appointment details and various options related to it. Now it's time to initiate the payment process for this appointment. Look for a Pay Now button associated with the appointment details. Clicking on this will take you closer to generating the invoice that needs to be sent. However, instead of completing the payment, you'll select the Save Unpaid option. This is crucial as it allows you to generate an invoice without immediately processing a payment. Upon choosing to save the transaction as unpaid, Fresha will automatically create an invoice for this appointment. To access this invoice, look for the three dots located at the top of the appointment details pane. This is typically a menu icon that when clicked reveals additional options. Among these options, you'll find one to send the invoice directly via email. Select the email option to proceed to the screen where you can enter the recipient's email address. This step is where precision counts. Ensure you type in the correct email address of the person or entity the invoice is intended for. Double check this information to avoid any mishaps. Finally, after you've entered the correct email address, the only thing left to do is send the invoice. Fresha makes this easy with a prominently displayed Send button. Once clicked, the platform will dispatch the invoice to the email address provided, completing your task. It's worth noting a few additional tips to ensure smooth sailing. First, always verify the appointment details before sending the invoice to prevent any errors. Second, take advantage of Fresha's ability to integrate with your Google account for an easier login experience. Lastly, remember that communication is key. Make sure your client or customer is aware that they'll be receiving their invoice via email, which helps prevent the invoice from being overlooked or ending up in the spam folder. Sending an invoice on Fresha is not just about completing a task, it's about efficiency, accuracy, and communication. By following these detailed steps, you can ensure that your business operations run smoothly, allowing you to focus on providing the best services to your clients. We've covered everything you need to know about sending an invoice on Fresha, from logging in as a business to sending the invoice to your client or customer. With this guide, you'll find that managing invoices is not just easy, but also efficient. Keep these steps in mind and you'll navigate through Fresha like a pro.